Doing another quick little mic test. Got another new lavalier mic. This one also I got on Aliexpress. I think it's pretty cheap. Can't remember, 20, 30 bucks, something like that. Yeah, just doing a quick sound test. See how it sounds. Looks quite good. Got a little wind protection little thing on it. Yeah, lights up. You got little indicators for it's also got on one side it's got an input jack for headphones or in-ear monitors as well, which is pretty cool for like a really cheap little wireless mic. Anyway, yeah, not too bad. Anyway, yeah, just a quick little sound test.